Why is taking driving mock tests important? Taking driving mock tests is important because it helps individuals prepare for their actual driving test. Mock tests simulate real test scenarios, allowing learners to familiarize themselves with the format, time constraints, and types of questions that may be asked. By taking these tests, learners can identify their strengths and weaknesses, enabling them to focus on areas that need improvement. 3 main benefits of taking mock tests are: 1. Experience and confidence. By taking mock tests, you are simulating real-life scenarios to enhance your driving skills. The more you practice, the more you are confident, thus the closer you'll be to being test-ready. 2. Identifying and rectifying mistakes before the actual driving tests. Mock tests allow you to understand the mistakes you may constantly make, which could potentially cost you points and even affect you attaining your license. With your instructor's guidance and mock tests, they are able to pinpoint the faults you make, and you are then able to practice correcting them until right. 3. Familiarizing oneself with the test format, structure, and requirements. Additionally, taking mock tests will help you reduce anxiety and nervousness during the practical driving test, as you are used to taking them, as well as increasing the likelihood of passing the driving test on the first attempt, as you have learned the structure and requirements needed to pass. What happens if you fail a mock test? If you fail a mock driving test, it's an indication that you need more hours before your practical test. You may even need to consider putting your test date back to a date that is more attainable for you to work towards. But look at the positive side of things. Even though you have pushed your date back, or have been recommended to do more lessons, you are more likely to pass on the day of your driving test as you have practiced more. And remember, practice makes perfect. Want to take a driving mock test? SmartLearner Driving School and our instructors can help and support you through mock tests and evaluate your driving skills within 2 hours to give you a clear idea of how test-ready you are. This is important, as this will help you plan out your schedule in your driving journey. For example, once you have taken a mock test with us, the instructor will say you will need X amount of hours to be test-ready. You then can work out how many lessons you will need. How many lessons you will need to purchase and what month you could potentially be test-ready by. You will then be able to book your test and work towards passing the day. Our hourly rates start from £32 for manual and £33 for automatic. We also provide block packages. Call us at 0247 509 2784 or email us for inquiries at admin@smartlearner.com.